You cannot apply every type of chart on same data. Select the chart that is easiest to interpret data values. To display multiple charts on a same data, first select the data. In Insert tab and Charts group, click Recommended Charts button. The Insert Chart dialog box opens. In left side of box, scroll down. You have multiple charts here. Select this chart. This is clustered column chart. Click OK. Press mouse and drag down. Click at any cell. Select the data again. Click Insert tab. Click Recommended Charts. Select this chart. This is line chart. Click OK. Press mouse and drag down. Click at any cell. Select the data again. In Insert tab, click Recommended Charts button. Scroll down, select this chart. This is stacked area chart. Click OK. Press mouse and adjust the position of chart. Click Chart Filters button. Then click Select Data button. The dialog box opens. This box shows the data range. In Series box, you can add or remove series or column values. Currently, there are 3 series. In Category box, you can edit the horizontal axis. Now, select Income series. Click Remove button. You can see Income series is removed from the chart. If you want to add Income series again, click Add button. Select Name in Series Name box. Add values in Series Values box. Select the range. Click OK. You can see in chart, Income series is added. In this way, you can add different types of chart in a worksheet.